Okay, right, so this is the next in the series of homeworks that are related to your exam. Remember, for the exam I'm going to be asking you to copy a photograph. I'm asking you to copy it freehand because this is what we do. So this homework and your exam is all about the coordination between your eye, your brain and your hand. Okay, so what I'm going to be asking you to do in tomorrow's lesson, because I'm not going to be here, I'm going to have an exam in here, so I'm going to ask you, I'm going to send this work down to the lesson, and this is what I'm going to be wanting you to do. I'm going to be wanting you to take one of these bits of sculpture here. This is sculpture by an artist called Lipthich. He was a Cubist artist working round about 1900, 1920, something. Most of these about 1917, 1617. Now, I could go into lots of detail about why it's significant, but you know, for the sake of this, let's just crack on with the drawing. All I'm going to ask you to do is I'm going to ask you to do a drawing, and all I'm going to ask you to do is to draw it out as accurately as you can. I'm doing this upside down yet again, of course. Okay, I'm going to ask you to draw this out as accurately as you can. As accurately as you can, here, onto this. I'm then going to ask you, goes to about there, this goes over here like this goes up here, there's an arm coming out there. Then, I'm going to ask you, you don't have to shade it in, you don't have to apply tone in the same way as it is on here. You don't have to do it the same way as on there. But what I'm after is this. Is the light to the dark. It's the opposite way round to what you've just done for your homeworks. Home learning. Which is where you go from dark through to light. This, you're actually drawing with the light. Now, I'm going to ask you to blend it out. I will give you some blacks as well, so that you can actually shade not only with the white, but you can shade with the black as well. I would strongly recommend that you actually shade with the white first, then you add the black. Don't do it the other way round. It just doesn't work. And you're going to say to me, but surely black on black paper doesn't work. Oh yes it does, because there are loads and loads of different blacks, like there are loads of different whites. So that's what I want you to do. It's quality shading by copying that. Okay, any questions? Oh, hang on, Megan's got a question. Meg.
So what was the homework?
The